When you think about sustainability, what comes to mind? Reducing emissions and energy usage are certainly a part of it, but employee well-being can also be a huge component of a sustainable manufacturer. When people are safe, supported, and valued, everything from performance to product reliability improves. It's smart business, and it's central to real sustainability. We explore that connection in this episode of Taking Stock of Sustainability. Employee health and safety are vital to a company's long-term strategy, including sustainability efforts. A workplace that's safe and supportive doesn't just reduce injuries, it helps retain skilled workers, boosts morale, and increases productivity. That kind of stability matters when producing complex, high-quality automotive components. In fact, the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals cover good health and well-being along with decent work and economic growth. But what does that mean to you at the counter? Well, when a manufacturer prioritizes the health and safety of its workers, it more than likely means they're also serious about process control, training, and product consistency. That matters because the parts you recommend, whether it's a bearing or a timing chain, are only as good as the conditions they're made in. A safe, well-run plant turns out reliable products, and that gives you confidence when answering a customer's questions. When you recommend parts made by companies that take employee well-being seriously within their sustainability efforts, you're offering ethically produced, responsibly made parts. Regular safety audits, risk assessments, and continuous process improvements are part of daily operations in plants that produce the bearings, clutches, and engine components that reach your store. That can be a powerful selling tool for shops with green certifications or customers that value sustainability. I'll give you an example. Workplace safety is at the core of Schaeffler's commitment to employee well-being. The company has certified management systems implemented at 95 production sites. It invests in ergonomic equipment, PPE, training, and incident prevention. Those efforts are paying off. In 2024, Schaeffler achieved its lowest lost time injury rate in years. The company sees a direct connection between caring for its people and building a more sustainable supply chain for the future. Companies like Schaeffler, which place a premium on workplace safety, help ensure quality, consistency, and long-term trust in the supply chain. As a counter professional, you are on the front lines of that story, connecting customers with parts made the right way. Thanks for watching Taking Stock of Sustainability, and we'll see you next time.